Plane crash, July 27th, 2021. Parts of planes, plane everywhere. Hey, shut up!
National Transportation Safety Board and the Federal Aviation Administration.
Do we know how many, was there anybody injured on the ground?
No injuries on the ground.
Okay, do we know where the origin of this flight came from?
We don't at this time.
Somebody said that this, the path it was taking was kind of different than a normal approach path. Is that true, or is this a normal path it was on?
It was making an approach to landing to the Truckee airport, but we're not familiar with the exact path of the aircraft at this time.
And then right now, who's handling the investigation as of this point?
There's multiple agencies handling. We're waiting for the FFA and NBO.
The NTSB and the FAA are taking control of the scene, and they're in charge of the investigation.
We know it's under investigation right now, but did visibility play any factor in this with the smoke outside?
We're not, it's undetermined at this point.
There was a small fire that the fire department put out?
Correct. It was only in the tree line where it hit.
How far down Reynolds Way was it? Closer to the middle or a certain end of it?
It was
About a half mile down?
Yeah, about a half mile down. No structures or persons on the ground were harmed, or no structures caught fire as a result of the crash at all.
Was there any contact with the plane before it crashed?
Just the control tower, which is standard operating procedure for that.
They didn't say anything to the control tower about anything being wrong?
It's undetermined at this point.
Anything else you guys can add?
Not at this time. We're looking at a 5:30 update.
Okay.